Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about Poco X2 unboxing and initial impressions. So let's get started. Poco X2 box looks simple and minimal with two colors, black and yellow. Top of the box there is Poco X2 naming and highlighting 120Hz refresh rate. The side of the box also there is a Poco X2 branding, and back of the box main features of Poco X2 is highlighted, which are 120Hz refresh rate, 64MP camera with Sony sensor, Snapdragon 730G processor and 4500 mAh battery. Let's unbox and see what's inside the box. Opening the box, we see yellow color box which consists of manual paper and silicone transparent case for the mobile. The silicone case is not that great in quality, but it's okay to use until you get a proper case which can protect the X2. Beneath this box we have a mobile, but let's keep the mobile aside and see what else in the box. Beneath the mobile we can see a charging brick which is huge in size, of capacity 27 watt. The quality of the charging brick is really good. It's really good to have 27 watt super fast charger present in the box at the price tag of 16K. Apart from this charging brick, there is a Type-C cable which is used for charging. The quality of the cable is also really good. Let's keep all things aside and let's check the mobile. Removing the cover on the mobile, Poco X2 looks stunning in the combo of red and pink color. The glass back on this mobile with this color gives really good look. Let's switch on the mobile and check software version. While booting, let me tell you the specs of the device. Poco X2 comes with 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and with punch hole dual selfie cameras on the screen, which is of 20 plus 2 megapixel, Snapdragon 730G processor with 6GB RAM and 64, 128 and 256 GB storage versions. Back of the device it has a quad camera system with 64 megapixel as a primary lens and 8 megapixel as a wide angle lens and 2 megapixel bokeh lens and 2 megapixel for macro shots. Along with these cameras there is a dual flash. Poco X2 comes with MIUI 11 and with Android 10 out of the box. Though it's an LCD display, it looks really good. Right now I don't feel the 120Hz refresh rate on the screen, maybe because of less applications in the app drawer. Bottom of the device you can see headphone jack, charging port and speaker grill. Right side of the device we have a power button which acts as a fingerprint scanner, and above that volume rockers. The fingerprint scanner works really good and it placed in very good position so that you can reach out with your thumb. Left side of the device you can see a SIM tray slot. Top of the device we can see secondary microphone and infrared sensor which is used for controlling electronic appliances in your home. Let's look at few pictures which are taken using this Poco X2. Poco X2 looks really good and promising. I will use this device as my daily driver from now on, and I will give review after 12 days. Meanwhile, lots of videos coming regarding Poco X2. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.